Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we will be making an Arduino powered LED controlled using vibration sensor. This is a mini breadboard where the components will be attached to it. Here we will be using a SW18020P vibration sensor. Here we have 4 pins: VCC, ground, digital and analog. Few male to male jumper cables. A 5mm LED. A USB cable to power up the Arduino. So here the vibration sensors are also known as piezoelectric sensors. Here the sensors are made up of a small spring mechanism which comes in contact when the applied vibration force is above a certain threshold value. When someone applies a vibratory force on the switch, the spring inside the switch vibrates and makes a momentary short circuit between the two terminals. Now we'll attach the vibration sensor on the breadboard. Here we'll be using only the digital pin, VCC and the ground. Here the digital pin is connected to digital pin number 2 of the Arduino. Here the positive leg of the LED will be attached to the digital pin 13 of the Arduino. Now we have connected the Arduino with a 5-volt output power bank. So when the output of the vibration sensor is 0, which is at low voltage, the LED is turned off, and when the output is 1, which is at high voltage, the LED is turned on. The potentiometer in the sensor can be used to adjust the sensitivity. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.